Ever thought about what it takes to become a professional barber? Well, you're in for a treat. Follow this guy on his journey from novice to master barber, and trust me, it's nothing short of inspiring. He's not just cutting hair, he's crafting confidence and style. One snip at a time, you'll see him tackle everything from trendy fades to classic cuts. And let me tell you, the transformation is absolutely jaw-dropping. As he shares tips and tricks along the way, you'll feel like you're right there with him. Learning the art of barbering, it's all about the passion, the precision, and the personal touch that makes each haircut a masterpiece. You won't just be watching, you're going to feel every moment. So, if you're ready to dive into this exciting world, click that follow button and join him on this incredible adventure. You don't want to miss a single cut.